Modern era with increased advancements in various fields has increased the rate of water consumption. Water conservation has become the need of the hour. Various methods have been implemented to conserve water, amongst which the most common methodology is rainwater harvesting. As we all know, rainwater harvesting is classified into two types. One, rooftop rainwater harvesting system, where the rainwater falling on the roofs is collected, filtered, and then sent to the ground. The other is the surface rainwater harvesting system, where the water that is collected on the ground is seeped into the ground. So, here is another method to conserve rainwater and save rainwater and collect rainwater that falls on the ground. This method can easily be implemented in the household without any labor or additional expense. So, how does this method work and what does this method have? This is a very simple method that can be implemented in our own gardens, where small holes are dug on the ground and wastewater plastic water bottles are placed into those holes. The water bottles have slits in their bottom, and then these bottles are placed in the holes. What happens is the rainwater that falls on the surface gets collected in these water bottles through the hole that is made on the ground. The collected water in the water bottle seeps into the ground through the slits that is made in the water bottle. So this process helps save rainwater in an additional amount because the water that gets collected on the surface of the ground is mostly evaporated to the atmosphere as water vapor back. Because we all know that the increase in surface area is directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. But in this case, since the water gets collected in the water bottle and the hole of the water bottle lid is quite small and the diameter of the hole is also quite less, the area eventually is less. So the rate of evaporation is very minimal. So what happens is most of the rainwater that falls on the ground is collected in the water bottle and then is directly allowed to penetrate into the ground through the slits made in the water bottle.